This week at the Grove, the church business meeting will be held on Monday, December 8th at 7 p.m. Please come and be informed about the business of the church. The children and youth of Jordan Grove would like to invite the Jordan Grove family to our annual Christmas program. This year, we will present the musical It's a Wonderful Life by Pam Andrews and Luke Gamble. The program will be held on Sunday, December 21st at 9:15 a.m. Come out and celebrate with us. Remember the real joy of the season, Jesus. The next Children and Youth Christmas program rehearsals will be held on Thursday, December 11th at 6:30 p.m. and Saturday, December 13th at 10 a.m. Attention, Jordan Grove Music Ministry. Rehearsals for this week are as follows. The King's Kids will rehearse on Wednesday, December 10th at 6 p.m., followed by the Joyful Noise Youth Choir at 7 p.m. The Jordan Grove Mass Choir Christmas Cantata rehearsal will be held on Thursday, December 11th at 7 p.m. Jordan Grove Music Ministry presents the Christmas Story musical on Sunday, December 21st at 6 p.m. This concludes your weekly announcements here at the Grove, where the love of Christ continues to be on display.